Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your Merchant Center account is active and your website is verified. This unlocks feed creation. Next, gather structured product data, ID, titles, descriptions, prices, availability, GTIN, so you can map fields quickly. Now choose a feed method. A Google Sheet is fast, a scheduled fetch fits hosted files, and the Content API supports automation. Once chosen, open Products Feeds and click Create Feed to start entering country and language. Make sure to pick the correct target country to avoid formatting issues. You now build the actual feed file or populate the Google Sheet template. Follow the required attribute names precisely so Merchant Center parses them. As you upload, map columns, ID maps to product ID, title maps to name, link maps to landing page, and price includes currency. Once done, include optional attributes like GTIN, brand, condition, and shipping to improve item eligibility. They help avoid disapprovals. If using scheduled fetch, set frequency and file URL, and double-check file encoding and delimiters before submitting. You upload the feed and immediately watch the processing and diagnostics pages. Merchant Center flags errors and warnings that need your attention. Fix issues, correct malformed prices, missing required attributes, or disallowed content, then reupload or resubmit. Once items turn active, review performance and set up automatic fetches or Content API updates to keep inventory current. If things go wrong, check diagnostics for the top error, validate file encoding and headers, and run a small test upload to confirm fixes before full submission.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.